And the IFTA goes to the importance of being whatever.
Thank you very much for this, IFTA. We'd like to thank everyone at RT Young People's, especially Sheila and Pauline, and everyone at the BAI, and the producers, David Collins and Martina Nyland.
And just thank you to our wonderful cast and crew. You guys were brilliant. I'm not going to reel off a whole load of names because I'll probably play the music or something like that. But I will say thank you very much, and too bad to Jedward. And I also want to say thank you very much to these two people who are going to speak right now, David and Isolde, the writers.
We just love to echo the thanks already, and to thank Neil and Maggie with Accomplice, and Colin.
And Orla, thank you very much.